Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling everything you need and taking the first concrete steps. Mix resin by weight using a digital scale. Follow the updated ratio printed for this DTI formula. Once mixed, add pigments and stir slowly to avoid trapped air. You want a consistent tone. Make sure the mold is clean and treated with release agent so the cured piece pops free. While stirring, check viscosity and temperature. These control pour behavior, and finally, you move into the critical middle phase where control matters. Pour from low height into the mold center and let the resin flow outward. This reduces bubbles and ensures even coverage. Use a heat gun or torch sparingly to pop surface bubbles, keeping your motion continuous so you do not overheat any spot. If you're layering for color depth, wait until each layer is tacky but not fully set before the next pour. This improves adhesion and prevents delamination. You finish by demolding carefully, then inspect for defects and work methodically to final polish. Remove seams and excess with a sharp knife, sand starting coarse, then move to finer grits, and finish with a polish compound for shine. Wipe clean with isopropyl and add a thin protective coat to stabilize the surface. If the piece remains tacky, do not add solvents. Instead, raise the cure temperature slightly or allow more time. That resolves incomplete reaction.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.